Hello, everyone. In this video, I'll show you the best Shopify apps to increase sales in your store. The best apps change every year due to new releases and better features. So in this video, I'll share an updated list of the best Shopify apps that can help you grow sales, increase conversions, improve repeat purchases, enhance customer experience, and grow your revenue. Right now, many Shopify store owners lose revenue because customers leave without buying, trust is missing, repeat purchases are low, or there is no smart strategy to increase order value. The good news? A few smart Shopify apps can help you solve these problems and increase sales faster. Let's review the best Shopify apps to increase sales and see how each one helps your business. At number 1, we have the .store Extra Fees Manager app. This app helps you increase revenue by adding smart fees, surcharges, or optional paid add-ons directly at checkout. For example, you can charge for gift wrapping, premium packaging, rush delivery, cash on delivery, customization fees, handling charges, or optional services. Customers can choose extra services and increase the total order value. This is one of the easiest ways to increase revenue without changing product pricing. The app supports rule-based checkout fees, optional customer-selected fees, taxes, and multiple fee conditions. Next is Klaviyo. If customers leave your store without buying, this app helps bring them back. You can send abandoned cart emails, welcome emails, discount reminders, product recommendations, and SMS campaigns. For example, if someone adds products to the cart but leaves, Klaviyo can automatically remind them to complete the purchase. That means more recovered sales without manual effort. The next app is Catching Bundles. This app helps increase average order value by encouraging customers to buy more. For example, buy one, get one discount. Buy 3 and save more. Product bundles. Volume discounts. Instead of selling one product, you encourage larger orders and increase revenue per customer. Next is Judged Me. Before customers buy, they usually want proof that your product is worth it. Judged Me helps you collect product reviews, ratings, customer photos, and testimonials. When customers see real reviews, trust improves and conversion rates often increase. This helps turn more visitors into buyers. Next is Smile. Getting a customer once is good. Getting repeat purchases is even better. Smile helps you create loyalty points, rewards, referral programs, and VIP customer benefits. This encourages repeat orders and keeps customers coming back to your store. The final app is SEO Will. More traffic means more chances to sell. This app helps improve SEO and content creation so your store can rank better in search results. You can optimize content and improve organic visibility to attract more potential buyers. And that's it. These are some of the best Shopify apps to increase sales in your store. The best approach is simple. Start with the biggest problem affecting your revenue and choose the app that solves it. Small improvements across checkout, trust, email marketing, loyalty, and SEO can create a big impact over time. Want an easy way to increase order value and revenue? Try the .store Extra Fees Manager app using the link in the description below. It helps you add smart checkout fees, optional paid add-ons, and revenue-driving charges without coding. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon here to watch more Shopify growth and e-commerce videos. Thanks for watching this video.